So Black & Decker A18 H1 18 volts England. Don't see any other serial numbers on it. Just while I'm doing this, it reminds me that I did buy some batteries from LIDL. Some power tool batteries. Somebody was buying them and taking them apart. Can't remember whether that was Big Clive or whether it was Julian Eilert. But they were reduced. A cheap source of getting 18650 batteries, I think. And I've never taken them apart. They're still in the box somewhere. That's another little project I was going to do. I expect I'll fast forward this. Or just edit it out. It's not exactly exciting watching somebody undoing screws, unless it all suddenly catches fire or something. Gotta say, that set of Poundland screwdrivers, or screwdriver bits, that's a bargain. That's 2 or 3 times now that's helped me out, where it's the only place I've been able to find a particular bit that I needed. And I do have an awful lot of screwdrivers, well, an awful lot of tools inherited from my father, my wife's father, and all the ones I've bought over the years, and other people have given me their tools as well. I've got loads of tools. Right, what's going to happen this time? Okay, top came off. What's that? What is that? That does look like that's a negative terminal or something. I expect it makes contact with something when you plug the battery in, so it can confirm it's plugged in. I don't suppose they're going to lift out easily. Oh, look at that. Yes, they are. Well, they're not 18650s anyway. I'd have to measure them, but I mean, they look like 30, and they're wider than 18650s. I'll go and get a measure. We'll get a size on them. It looks like if I cut the plastic, I'll actually be able to read what's written on there. But I don't want to do that at the moment. Unless we can actually ease it back. Ripping it now. Sanyo KR 1500. That's going to be glued on at some point. There we go. I should be able to get some measurements there. Save all these bits. Bring the meter back in. DC volts. And let's just try one at random. One we can get to. Nothing. Couldn't be much flatter. This is hard to believe, isn't it? That it is so flat. You would expect to get some sort of voltage directly across one cell. Well, I've never taken a battery apart and found it this completely flat. I think I'll stop it there. We're not going to prove anything at the moment other than it looks like each individual cell is completely flat. Whether we can get any charge into it, don't know. That's a bit of double-sided sticky tape to hold that in place, so that when you put it down on a metal surface you don't short them all out. Well, more or less out of desperation, I've tried just charging a single cell directly, and my meter won't, my charger won't have it. It just comes up and says short circuit. Doesn't matter whether I try it as LiPo battery, lithium ion battery, lead battery, nickel metal hydride battery, nickel cadmium battery. It says no thank you. And that's just going straight across that one cell there. Because even if there's some sort of battery protection in there, which I don't think there is, but even if there was, just going across the one cell should actually sort it for us. I'm just wondering what it is that's in there. I'm guessing thermistor, heat sensor. Not easily. How about that one? I can get that one off. I can get that one off. Right. Now we're cooking. So we should be able to pull out whatever it is that's up there. Yeah. So that's the thermistor or heat sensor. That says 5 amp green. All right, just where the wire's on top, set 130 degrees C. I expect it'll break if I try bending it open to read it. Anyway, no further forwards really. A completely dead battery. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.